out here from Oakland, man. Oaktown finna come to Tennessee and take over.
Stay hydrated.
Great day. Let us know if you need anything.
This is very best.
Okay. Yeah. 3 and outs. Yeah. All that. All of the above.
Hey, fellas, listen, man. Let's just go out and dominate every phase.
Man, let's put it on film, man. Let's do what we do. Let's go, man. When we get on that plane, how do you want to feel? You got everything I got tonight. Everything I got. I know I get it all from you and you. I know I'm going to get it all from you. Let's win. I don't care about nothing else. Let's win. Let's go. Win on 3. 1, 2, 3. Win.
Offensively went down the opening drive. We started fast.
Derek, a straight drop and a lob up the right sideline for Amari Cooper. They go right after Parrish Cox on the first play of the game, and he made the catch. Latavius the back, they give it to him straight ahead. Big hole, breaks the tackle. 10, 5, touchdown! Raiders!
Nice job. Great job. Great job.
Hey, that's all day.
Hey, we'll make plays all day. All day we're going to train. They're not going to tackle. Do not be denied. Do not be denied.
I feel good about the start we have with the running game, versatility of the backfield, and the way our linemen have been able to plug in and play.
DeAndre Washington, a big hole, 40, 45, midfield, all the way down inside the Tennessee 40-yard line goes DeAndre Washington. What a great run that was. There's Derek Carr faking a run left, rolling right. Now he avoids a sack, breaks a couple of tackles, runs away, throws down the field, and open Michael Crabtree with a leaping catch. Well, that was pure Derek Carr. Carr holds him there for a long time, now takes it. Here's pressure, throw ball tipped. Catch by Seth Roberts, runs right by, and in the end zone for a touchdown. What a run by Seth Roberts.
Great catch on the 3rd down.
Good work, Ted.
You like it here, don't you? You like it here, don't you?
This would be a 50-yarder. This one would be for the record breaker to pass Jason Hanson for the most 50-yard field goals in the history of the league. As King will hold. It is down. Janikowski has it away. He has the distance, and it is good. And that is a record breaker, and the record that Janikowski really wanted in his career. That is his 53rd field goal he's made from 50-plus yards out.
Let's get it.
Defense, my goodness. We can get off their back now. They won the game.
We talked all week about, hey, when it's warm out or, if you're dealing with heat, the best thing to do is be sitting on the sideline and sipping on Gatorade. Get yourself off the field. Win on 3rd down.
Let's go, man. Nice work. Do what you're coached to do and do it fast.
Forced 3 turnovers on defense. That was good stuff.
Mariota going to roll out right. He can run 20, and he did not go feet first. He fumbled the ball on the 24-yard line, and the Raiders may have it. They do.
I'm going to get it. I'm going to get it, boy.
Now throws up the right seam. Ball deflected and intercepted by Reggie Nelson. Throws middle, fluttering ball. Intercepted by Sean Smith. He took it away. Sean's got the ball. Interception, Raiders. Yes.
Today we definitely were on the same page out there. We were communicating a whole lot better, and not making the small mistakes that we were in previous weeks.
4th down and 4. Here's your game.
They got to throw it now. Got to throw it. Got to throw it. Let's go, D.
Mariota rolling left, rolling and throwing for the end zone. TJ Carey up the back. No flag. No flag. The Raiders take over on downs. The Raiders will win the game in Nashville.
That's all that mattered.
All we wanted to do now, we get on this bus, heading to this plane, heading home, is be 2-1. All right, nice shot. Congratulations, man. What's better than having 2? 3. Having 3. Let's go get 3 next week. Let's go. Bring it up. Let's go. Raiders on 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Raiders.